In this lesson from Nick Saraev's N8n Mastery class, we're going to create a webhook, which will receive a request from a different workflow. This will allow us to call from one workflow to another workflow and send and receive data in the process. So to get started, create a new workflow, add first step, look for webhook. When it opens, click the link next to the get and put that in your copy-paste buffer. Now go create another workflow, and in this step, look for HTTP request, and when that opens, paste the link into the URL field. Then to show how we can send data, just as an example, open send query parameters and create two parameters. The first one is going to be first name, and you can add your name there. And the next one is going to be last name, and you can add your last name there. Now go back to the first workflow and click Listen for Test Event. Now go to the second workflow and click Test Step. Now go back to the first workflow and look at the output. One of the things that you received was the query first name and last name, and this was sent from one workflow to another workflow. So that is lesson 6 from Nick Saraev's N8n Mastery class.